Hi, we're going to be looking at comments in our CSS. I've got open my editor and I'm in my CSS file, and I've got a bit of CSS code in here, which is basically a paragraph element and H1, and we're changing the colour of the paragraphs in a HTML document, colour to the text to blue. And our H1 headers will be the background colour of salmon. I'm going to show you to do comments. So, a simple line of comments. So let's put one at the top. So say we want to put title. And we use a / and a star. And then we put whatever comment we want to put. I'm simply putting, this is our CSS code. And then we use a star and a / to end the comment. And you can see that the text between these opening and closing comment is, we've got a / and a star, and then we close it with a star and a /. So it's opposite way around. And anything in between these will be grayed out. Okay? So that is how we write a simple comment. And we use comments to document our code, whether it's for putting what we are doing, what we want to do, and we can also use it for debugging. So let's say we want to do a multi-line. Okay, so let's come down here and let's open our comments. And let's say I just want to put a list of things I want to do. So I need to input my images into my web page, and I want to create a form. So this can be a to-do list as well. I want to create a form, and I also need to do my footer on my web page. Okay, and then to close that off, the star and /. And then this is how we do multiple lines. So you can do multiple lines of comments. And remember, the comments are ignored by the browsers. They don't do anything apart from documentation in your code. So we open the comment with the / and a star. We write our multiple lines of comments, and then we declare the end of our comments by putting a star and /. And that's as simple as that. Okay, so at the top here we've done a single line of comments in CSS, and down here we've done a multiple line CSS comment and stuff, and you can put comments in between here. And I'll just put change the colour of the background. So simple as that. So everything around your comments will still be in the colours like so, to say that these are still valid and will run. It's only your comments that will be greyed out. So if all this starts greying out, you know you've not got your closing or your opening with your comments properly. So one other thing you can do, let's say you're debugging your program and okay, I want to stop this from executing at the moment. You can delete it, but you may need it back again. So just to temporarily stop it from executing, you can just put it in a comment. So if you just do your / star, and at the end you do your star in your end of your comment. But this is the same, because you've got comments right underneath. You can also do that as well, because that's one whole comment from up here. I mean, you can even go as far as that, and that the whole block. But sometimes you don't want to, because you want to put things back in. You can simply comment all these off separately. So when you run this code now, this H1 will not change to the background colour of salmon. So that's how you can debug things, by commenting them out. But then when you realise, actually that's not the problem, I need to put that back in. Just delete your end and your beginning comments, / stars, and then you can put that piece of code back in, and then that will then be executed in your HTML document. You can also put them anywhere really. Say you've got this line of code here, and I decide I want to put my comment here. I'm just putting anything as a comment, it doesn't really matter. It's more where we're putting it and I'm showing you how to do it. So if you stick your comment there, this will still execute fine. Just the browser will ignore this comment you placed here. So you can place them at the end of code as well. So that's another way. So basic comments are there just for documentation in your code. Please hit that subscribe button, like and share to help support this channel.